How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel where you join me in a very chilly garage. The last couple days here in Texas, we've had freezing weather. It's been snowing, sleeting, frozen rain. The roads are covered in ice. But we're gonna be out here working on a new project on the old GTI here. I've got something that I saw popped up on the Facebook groups and had to get it myself. Pretty cheap item. This is a piece that comes with your COBB downpipe. If you do order one of those, it is a heat shield for the ABS module in the engine bay. And the stock one is plastic, so we can't have that. I'm sure you could, if you wanted to, you could put some heat tape on it and it probably work close to the same, but we're gonna do this right with a kit if we can get one. It's only like $35. So right back here, you can see down in there, it's hard to tell without a light, but there's a little plastic bracket that sits next to the downpipe. And you know, plastic is plastic. I'm sure you guys know, for the stock downpipe, who knows if it's better or worse. I don't know how much heat is actually coming off of the new downpipe. But considering that it was a upgrade over the plastic and how cheap it was, I was like, well, I might as well get it. So the part number for this is down below. Like I said, it was like $35. You have to email COBB and ask to order it separately. It was super quick. COBB had a great customer service person helping me out. I just emailed them. I was like, hey, do you have this part? They said yes. They sent me the invoice, paid, shipped to the house in just a few days. I think COBB is located, at least their distribution center was located in Austin, so it really only took like 2 days to get here, which was pretty nice. So keep that in mind if you are ordering it, but the part number is down below. I think we're just gonna jump right into this. I'm gonna get my lights set up, and we can just go ahead and get started on this. So thanks so much for joining in this video. If you are new to the channel, go down below and hit that subscribe button. Love to have you. We're working our way towards 10,000 subscribers. But otherwise, let's get going on the golf. All right, so here's what we removed: the O2 sensor wire holder, and then just this black piece of plastic around the ABS module that just really popped right out. Here is our new piece right there. Very nice looking. I love the aluminum or brushed metal look. And it's got the COBB logo. The hardest nut to get is way down there at the bottom. Hard to show on camera since it's so dark and you can't really see anything, but there's a little nut right down there. Then you replace this one and replace the O2 sensor wire holder with a new nut that they provide, and that's it. So that should definitely hold up a little bit better than our stock piece of plastic. I'm sure you could put a heat tape on this if you wanted to. I didn't, just because I wanted the clean look, so I left it raw as is. I don't know how much of a difference it'll make. I don't think my downpipe is getting that hot, but otherwise for 35 bucks, not bad. So really a pretty easy install, all things considered. I mean, one socket, couple bolts, and you're on your way to having a new heat shield. And I know there's quite a bit of people that run the COBB stuff. I have an access port. A lot of people run COBB products, so you can definitely rely on them for what they are. So shout out to COBB for the customer support. It was very easy to order. Like I said, the part number for this is down in the description below. But other than that, we're gonna close out this video. More mods to the Mk7 GTI. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you are here for the Golf or the Miata, be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next video.